After 5 years of closing down the running track at the Montego Sports Complex in Catherine Hall, racing of a different kind returned on Wednesday at the facility. Now, this has caused an uproar among many stakeholders. It is said that when the cat's away, the mice will play. And that's the case at the Montego Sports Complex. Despite athletes being unable to use the track, many were left in shock to see it being utilized for racing of another kind. What we saw was motor racing driver Douglas Hollywood Gore having a drive around the track, which he says was for a promotional shoot for an artist out of England who has rented the stadium.
And they asked me to come and park the car there and take some pictures. And then they asked me to drive the car around slowly around the track, which I did. I didn't even come out of first gear. It wasn't like I was racing or damaging the track in any way. So, as I said, I was literally in first gear.
According to Gore, no damage was done to the track as it was already in a bad state.
But remember, the track has been in a deplorable form for quite a while, and that is why it hasn't been used, and they have to repave it. So that is why it hasn't been used also. The track has been quite chewed up. I mean, when I even went out there yesterday, I was quite surprised at how bad it was. But I mean, literally, there are potholes around the track. So I know that they couldn't use it anyway until they resurface it.
When contacted, both the mayor and his deputy said they were busy to give a comment. But CEO of the St. James Municipal Corporation, Nadia Crosskill, said it's a matter they are looking into.
What I can say about that is that no permission was granted for that activity. And so, as we speak, the council is investigating the matter, and as soon as we have a conclusion on that matter, it will be made available to the public.
Organizer of the Western Relays, Ray Harvey, was in shock when he saw the video.
It's been 5 years now. We've been waiting for some good news about the track. Didn't believe the situation could get any worse until what we see today. It is just unbelievable that is what has happened to our running track here in Montego Bay.
CEO and owner of Montego Bay United, Orville Powell, believes there's no interest in track and field from the people who run the stadium. According to Powell, there's no accountability by those who operate the stadium.
And I'm speaking now to the sports minister. I'm speaking again to the councillors and the mayors. It's a total disregard for anything, man. We have people running on dirt, on surfaces that I think will be worse than the state that the track is now. We lock them out. That stadium has been used as a parking lot. It has been used as in COVID. And the only people having problems to use that is the track and field people. You better we lick it down and build a racing track over there.
Harvey says the non-use of the track has set back track and field development.
We had a program which was centered around the track and was creating tremendous development here in Western Jamaica. We've lost all that now. And my problem is I don't know if we'll ever be able to regain it.
Recently, Montego Bay United were locked out of the stadium and were only given permission just hours before their Monday night match against Mount Pleasant in the Jamaica Premier League.